The Robotic Mower Services Trade In and Trade Up sales event is underway. This is a sales event that we are going to be running through August 28th, 2024, or until we just run out of these models of mowers that we're going to be giving these large trade-in credits on. So how does this work? Well, it's really simple. We've got a few models of Automowers listed here in our ad, and whenever you trade in your existing Automower for one of these models, we will give you that trade-in credit. So you take your current Automower, take some pictures of it, send us an email with the pictures, the serial number, all that kind of stuff. We'll give you the information on everything, how it's going to work. And then you purchase the new mower. We give you a trade-in credit once we receive your mower of whatever is listed there. So if you're buying a 435X or a 535, one of the all-wheel drive models, we get your trade-in model Automower. You will get a $1,500 trade-in credit towards that purchase of your new all-wheel drive Automower. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but I know a lot of people are going to have some questions and need some answers on this stuff. So we'll go through the models here that are going to be eligible for these trade-in credits and what the credits are. Start with the 520 or the 520H. Again, these, as you can see there, it says these are not e-post models. These are boundary wire versions only for all of these mowers. So if you trade your current Automower in for a 520 or a 520H boundary wire version, we will give you a $900 trade-in credit for your old Automower. If you trade in your current Automower for a 450X, 450XH, 550, or 550H Automower, again, not the e-post version, boundary wire version only, we will give you a $1,600 trade-in credit for your existing Automower. If you trade in your current Automower for a 435X all-wheel drive model or a 535 all-wheel drive Automower model, we will give you a $1,500 trade-in credit. So to start this process, send us an email, info@roboticmowerservices.com, and in the subject, put trade in and send us some pictures of your current Automower, the serial number, the product number from the mower, and if you have a copy of the invoice from when you bought it, that's even better. Send that along. Then we will just kind of go through the basic stuff of if you're needing to ship your mower into us, if we're shipping the other one out to you, what the cost of that would be. And it's not going to be like, oh, we're giving you $1,500 off on this mower, so we're going to charge you $1,300 shipping. No, it's all going to be the standard stuff. No hidden costs or anything like that. But if you do have to ship your trade into us, you will be responsible for that part. And again, that stuff we'll go over in the emails. But it's really that simple. You're going to trade in your current Automower or one of these models here to receive the specified trade-in credit. Once we receive your mower and payment for the new model, we will ship you the new mower and take it out, plop it down where your old mower was at, plug in the charging station and all that stuff, and off it goes. That's going to be the nice thing about this, because you've already got a mower out there running around. You've got the boundary wire in place, and as long as your boundary wire is good, you're going to be able to just plop in these new mowers and shouldn't have too much to take care of after that. If anything, it'll just be a matter of adding another guide wire if you want one for some of these models, if you're upgrading to one with more guide wire capabilities. So why are we running this trade-in and trade-up sales event? Really simple. Because we know years ago, a lot of you invested in these products, and at the time, you went with what the best possible solution was for your mowing area. Over time, things have changed, things have gotten better, things have improved. So we want to give you guys the opportunity to get something better now without having to break the bank. And I know, like the all-wheel drives, that's a big one there. A lot of people bought 450Xs and 450XHs back in the day, and they did great except for those areas where they had a little bit of a slope, and the mower will might twist the wrong way or turn the wrong way when it's trying to back up and start tearing the grass up or something like that. Or maybe you got some tree roots that are sticking up now and you have a problem with the mower getting caught on these tree roots. You have a problem with maybe the caster wheel getting caught on the lip of the flower bed or something like that. Where an all-wheel drive would solve most of those issues, if not all of them. So now's your time. Trade in your old 450X, your old 450XH, your old 430s, and move up to that all-wheel drive. We're doing this to make it affordable for you guys to jump up to that newer machine, that newer version of the existing machine you have, or just one with better features such as the all-wheel drives. Maybe you have one of the old original 450Xs or 450XHs. Your COM board stopped working. You're going to need upgraded to the 4G COM board. A couple other parts through the years have been improved and updated and upgraded in those models of mowers. If you've got to replace all of them, if you've got to replace batteries, COM board, all that stuff, if it's at that time with that mower, it might be cheaper for you to just buy a new one. Take the trade-in credit till you take that off the price of a new one. You'd probably be at the price of where it would cost you to get a new COM board installed by a dealer, get new batteries put in there, replace those worn-down drive wheels, and all that kind of stuff. Now you're going to have a new one with another 2-year warranty. So might be time, just trade it in instead of taking it in to get it serviced this year. Let's say you got an old 310 or 315X. And at the time, it was a good mower for the size of your yard. But springtime, maybe the grass grows a little heavy and it struggles to keep up. A 520 or 520H would be a good upgrade. An all-wheel drive would be a good upgrade. A 450X or a 450XH would be an even better upgrade over that. So now's the time. That trade-in credit of $1,600, you're going to be getting back basically what you would have, close to what you would have paid for that model mower back in the day when you originally bought it. If you're talking a 315X. Let's say you have a 115H and the struggles of that, where it doesn't go through a gate. You can't start it on a boundary wire. It struggles to find its way home sometimes. Any one of these, you can plop down the charging station and replace that 115H by just connecting the boundary wires to the charging station. And you could be off rolling with a 520 or 520H, which wouldn't break the bank there for what you're getting for your 115H as a trade-in. Same way with a 450 if you wanted to add other sections of your yard. Really the possibilities are endless for this. If you've got an existing Automower and you want to move up to any one of these, now's the time to do it. Again, I can't stress enough that the e-post versions are not available in this deal. Please do not call us and ask us about that. Please do not email us and ask us about that. We are specifically telling you the e-post versions, the GPS mowers, the wireless mowers, whatever you want to call them, are not available in this promotion. This is our promotion. This is not Husqvarna's promotion. This is not some other dealer's promotion. This is our promotion, and we are telling you that they are not included in this sales event. So please, again, don't call us and don't ask us about that, because we're telling you right now the answer is no. It's the boundary wire versions only. And again, the models that you will get these trade-in credits on are the 520, 520H, 450X, 450XH, 550, 550H, the 435X all-wheel drive, and the 535 all-wheel drive. These trade-in credits will be available now through August 28th, 2024, or until we run out of the mowers. So, you want one of these models here that we're having these trade-in deals on, send us an email with the information and we will get back to you. We will get back to everybody in the order in which we receive their emails. So just in case anybody's missing this, the email address is info@roboticmowerservices.com, and in the subject, put Automower Trade-In. That way we can get your email flagged into the proper folder and in the order that it came in, and get you taken care of as soon as possible. So hopefully that clears up any questions that any of you might have had about our trade-in and trade-up sales event for Husqvarna Automowers. But for any of you that do not want to trade in your mower, you would rather just fix it, you know where to go to get your parts. www.roboticmowerservices.com. Check out our selection of parts, accessories, and all that stuff on our website. And you can find lots of tech support there on our website too. And as always, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.